Have you ever spent way too long clicking through Google results only to find ads, sponsored links, and still no clear answer? In today's fast-paced world, time is money, and we all want instant, accurate answers without a scavenger hunt, right? That's exactly why we are talking about Perplexity AI. Imagine a search engine that's smarter, faster, and more intuitive than Google. Sounds too good to be true. Let me explain. So now, why Perplexity matters? Let's face it. Most of us just want the answer without sifting through pages of irrelevant links. Perplexity AI was built for this generation of instant searchers. It not only finds the information you need on the spot, but also cites credible sources so you can know exactly where the answer is coming from. And if you are tired of Google's countless ads or ChatGPT's outdated or sometimes inaccurate data, then Perplexity AI might just be the perfect blend of both worlds. So how does Perplexity differ from Google or ChatGPT? Number one, real-time live search. Perplexity directly searches the internet in real time, so you are getting the most up-to-date information. When it comes to ChatGPT, especially the free version, relies on pre-23 data. It might miss brand new developments. Number two, instant summaries and credible sources. When you ask Perplexity a question, it doesn't spit out 10 search links. It summarizes them and shows you credible citations so you can easily verify the info. Google, you'll see plenty of results but have to do the legwork yourself. Number three, fast follow-ups. You can ask follow-up questions on Perplexity. It will remember your current context and answer quickly. Google typically makes you retype everything or click on multiple links. Plus, Perplexity isn't exactly a chatbot. It's more like a smart search engine. Just enough conversation to refine queries, but no ongoing personal context or memory beyond that. That means no lengthy back and forth, but also less clutter. Let's talk about the differences among Perplexity versus Google versus ChatGPT. Let's test all three with a real-world question. What are the top 5 budget-friendly laptops for students in 2024? Perplexity AI instantly provides a concise list complete with specs and prices plus direct links for each laptop. You get quick, clear data all in one place. Google overwhelms you with countless articles, links, and sponsored posts. Sure, you can find the info eventually, but it's like going on a treasure hunt. ChatGPT gives an answer but might not factor in the latest data. Plus, the recommendations aren't always aligned with the current market prices. Another question, what's the sensor size of the latest iPhone's camera? Perplexity instantly returns the size details and includes references to Apple's official site and tech blogs. When it comes to Google, it shows multiple sites you'll have to click around to confirm. And in ChatGPT, it could give older data if not recently updated. Finally, I asked about the latest GDP growth rate of United States in Q4 2024. Perplexity gave me a direct figure along with official source links and a quick summary. Google made me jump across various links and ChatGPT's info wasn't the precise unless it was specially trained on the latest data. From these examples, it's clear Perplexity shines when you want straight to the point answers with verified sources. Now, who should use Perplexity? Students who need quick stats or references without wading through pages of search results, busy professionals who want direct answers fast, anyone frustrated with Google's sponsored content and endless link clicking. So there you have it, Perplexity AI. A search engine that merges the best of real-time data, AI summarization, and verified citations. If you crave clarity and speed in your research, Perplexity is definitely worth trying out. Remember, Google is still unbeatable for a broad exploration, and ChatGPT is awesome for in-depth conversation or creative brainstorming. But if you just want the facts fast, Perplexity must be your new best friend. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI and tech insights. Let me know in the comments, have you tried Perplexity yet? Did it impress you as much as it impressed me? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.